Hey guys, it's Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the fishtail, and this is really easy. I will show you it. Hold on. I do not have it, but you will see it looks really cool. You can have the arrows facing either way. You just need two pegs, so either way it doesn't really matter. And I'm just using. You're gonna need glue in this, like any position. Your hook. This is a knitting hook. It's a crochet hook. It is size G. I don't know if you can see that. Where is it? So it's right there. And then some bands. I'm just using Crazy Color. So yeah, just Crazy Color. And it's not gonna be any pattern. It's just gonna be Crazy Color. So let's get started. Take your first band. So I got the light in, and you're gonna this peg. What peg am I touching? Oh gosh. Okay, so we're gonna do it all the way where my finger is. So that's gonna be right there. Take that one. You're gonna do that, and then you're gonna stretch it into a figure 8 across two, like that, and you're gonna push it down. Then you're going to take another band and you're just going to stretch it across normally. So no twists or anything, you're just going to stretch it across normally. And you're going to push it down. And you're going to take your next band and do the same. Do not twist it. So it should look like this. Cross, regular. And you're going to take your hook. Wrong side. Oops. Alright. Take that, one side of it, and pull it over all the bands. You're going to go to your other side. Okay, I'm just going to use my fingers. So yeah, you're just going to pull that over. And you're going to push those down. From now on, you're not going to cross any. You're just going to add them normally. I think you can hear my background, my fan in the background. I don't really know if you can, but yeah, that's what it should look like right now. Yeah. Sorry, I'm so sorry about my lighting. So normally, and then you can add one on every time. Gonna grab that, pull it over, gonna grab. Then you always grab the bottom band, pull it over, and it won't start to show yet. It'll show. I'm not going to fast forward this because it is a challenging one. It's more like for beginners. So yeah, I may have a tie-dye here, so don't get confused. And you're just going to continue this process. Just push that down. And it worked. So now I should have to yarn again. Take the bottom band. See how that's tied? It's pink on one side, and orange on the other. Don't worry, those aren't different bands. That is tie-dye. Yeah! Sorry, that was my mom. Oh my gosh. I will be right back. So, go ahead and catch up to speed. I'm going to make a sequel to this video, and it's going to be how to make a fishtail part 2. I do have to go, but yeah, make sure to look that up. How to make a fishtail part 2, and that time I will be back with the made fishtail. Bye! Subscribe! Bye!